We are the members of South Coast SWENext, located in the Illawarra on the south coast of New South Wales in Australia. We're the first high school SWENext chapter in Australia and are all part of First Robotics Team 5985, Project Bucephalus.
Our club is made up of 9 members, including one from Iowa, and our Australian members are in high school years 9 to 12. Sarah from Iowa helped us form this chapter of SWENext.
Before COVID restrictions came in, we were getting ready to participate in a large robotics event with teams from around the world. We practice curiosity by engaging in the engineering skills we learn and use through FRC. We promote STEM by teaching children aged 5 to 18 robotics using LEGO Mindstorms. With COVID, we continue to do this through our online robotics classes.
As our SWE partner is in Iowa, we stay connected by having Zoom meetings, using Google Hangouts, as well as email and Slack. We are able to work collaboratively online. This means we can connect with more people from around the globe, spreading STEM further and creating more opportunities and brighter futures for everyone. Now, on to the challenge.
Hi, I'm Liz.
And I'm Faye. Today we are learning about marine design and mechanical engineering by building Lego boats. All you will need for this activity is some Lego bricks, some light white coins, and somewhere to float your boat in, like a tub, bathtub, or pool.
Here's a fun fact about boats. Native Americans used to make boats by digging out the inside of a log. These were the earliest canoes.
Before we make our Lego boat, we need to understand why boats float. There are 2 forces at play here. Gravity, which pulls an object downwards,
And buoyancy, which opposes gravity. Buoyancy is the power of water exerting an upward force called displacement on the object being placed in the water.
Let's look at some materials and see what floats. As you can see, plastic floats really well. That is why we're going to use Lego for our boat, but you can use something different.
When we use Lego for our boat, it will continue to float as long as the force of buoyancy is greater than the force of gravity.
However, the more coins in the boat, the heavier it becomes. When it gets too heavy, gravity wins.
Another fun fact is that over a century ago, steamboats were very popular for transport and for people and goods along rivers.
Now that we understand how gravity and buoyancy work, we can brainstorm some boat designs. You can draw or write your ideas down on some paper. You might come back to these and change them after testing.
When designing your boat, there are some things you need to consider. Do you want a long or a short boat? Should it be wide or narrow? Tall or shallow? Heavy or light?
Don't forget about where you're putting the coins. Putting them all in one spot or on one side might make your boat tip over.
While you brainstorm your Lego boat, here's another fun fact about boats. The oldest boats found by archaeologists are called Pesce canoes.
We have experimented with different sizes and shapes of boats. It is up to you to design your boat. We found different boats hold different amount of coins.
In case you are stuck for ideas, we are now going to show you how to build a Lego boat.
First, you need to build a base. We have 3 6x14 plates joined together like this, followed by inside walls, then corners.
Next, we will start to build up the walls of the boat. We chose to use our thin Lego blocks for this, as we wanted our boat to be lighter. We used 1x8, 1x10, and 1x12 lengths, building each wall up 4 layers high. We placed these blocks to make a closed square.
Lastly, we add some 1x4 and 1x3 blocks to the corners. This helps the water from leaking in. We have pre-built some corners to save time.
Let's test our boat and see how it floats.
Here's a fun fact. The oldest recovered boat is believed to be between 7,000 and 10,000 years old.
Now, let's add some coins. In Australia, we have 10 cents, 20 cents, and 50-cent coins. It's best to try and use the same type of coin. However, using different sizes and shapes of coins will give different results.
Did you know there are approximately 18 billion boats owned by Americans for recreational use today?
Wow, that's a lot of boats. We designed lots of different boats. Here are some examples you can draw inspiration from.
Now it's your turn. How many coins can your boat hold? After you've tried some different designs, use your scales to figure out how much your boat and how much your coins weigh. Get your parents to take a photo of your boat with the coins and send it to us on Facebook or Instagram using hashtag SWENext and hashtag Boats for Girls.
Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see your boats. Remember to keep on practicing curiosity every day.